everyone, and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back with a new tutorial, very easy one as usual. It's the rectangular granny blanket. It's very easy to achieve, and I'm gonna talk through this blanket, how I made it, and mostly I'll put the link for how to start the rectangular granny blanket. So I'm going to show you and explain to you how I made this blanket, and without further ado, we'll get started. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that I've done previously how to make the granny rectangular, which is very easy to do. You'll find the link in the description box for this rectangular blanket for part 1 and part 2. This blanket measures around 55 centimeters and 99, so 55 long and 99 wide. So what I've done initially, I have chained 80 from here, from the middle, and from there I started working the granny rectangle. In the description box also you will find the written pattern where you will follow how to make it easily. So if you know how to make the granny, you know it's very easy. The rectangular one is also easy. The only thing is when you reach the corner you need to do 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. So there are 3 clusters in the corner to make the rectangular, and the rest is 1 cluster in every space, upside and downside. And then to continue, it's very easy, you just follow the previous one. So this is how it is shaped, and I have used the Lion brand yarn. It's a very soft and thin yarn. Also you'll find the link to the yarn in the description box, and you can use the same or use a similar one. Also the crochet hook was 3.5mm hook. So one thing, if you want to finish it fast, better use a thicker yarn than this, because this took me a little long, around 2 weeks or more to finish, and still I want to make it a little bigger than this. So this is about the rectangular blanket. If you have any questions about it and anything I didn't mention in this video, let me know in the comment section. I hope you try and make it. It's very easy. With a yarn like this, you don't need to change color. It's already that way. So let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.